Yeah, I say things set, man. You see that? Right now, man, I go French fry some chicken. I say things set, though. Yeah, me just show you a little. You know what I mean? Yeah, nice piece of hip there. Breast over there, so. Leg there, so. Season there, so. Yeah, man, this is some normal season mix up. But see, monster there. Yeah, Maggie. Your pot cannot do without Maggie. You have to check it out. If you don't use it, you have to check it out. What me say, your pot can't do without Maggie. You know see how much of them me have? 3 of them me have. 3 pieces of chicken, 3 Maggie. You think me ramp? Yeah, so me set it. Yeah, man. So you see now me have some garlic. As you can see, some scallion. Thyme did this so. Pepper did this so. Onion over there so. Have some Irish there so. I saw a thing set, man. What me say me I go do? French fry some chicken. I season, man. I go season it up here now. Yeah, man. What you say? You want to see how me season it up? Alright, don't move, man. I'll show you. I saw a thing set. So me have 2 more pieces done so. And them do up there so. So me I'll show you how me season it up here now. Yeah? Now see how work. Yeah, man, you see that now everything there and they say easy, man. You see for you cut up them already, the only thing you have to do is just throw them upon it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And just scrape off the dish. You know what I mean? Because I not left nothing. What me say? I not left nothing. Yeah, man. See it there? All my dish pretty. And then come say you know me season. See that? I say a thing that. Come over here say you know what me tell you say you can't do without no Maggie. Yeah, man, see me? Can't do without no Maggie. Maggie is the baddest thing ever make. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I see that 2 pack man I use because you can't do without no Maggie. And that man tell you. See how it look now? Ready, this ready. Yeah, man, I'm skin my chicken. I don't know about the next man or the next girl, but I skin my chicken. To me, when I skin it, it tastes better. It seasons up more better. Look how it look now. See that? French fry settings look a bit from this and nothing normal. You think me ramp? You think of chattings? You think me ramp? You must think of chattings. Look on this. Look on it. See? Me know you don't mind if I could have tasted all piece of this when me done fry. That's how go, man. A time I come where you get any amount that you want. Don't? Yeah, man, I say things said. Line up to start fry it, you know. I show you when I fry it, you know. Worry on yourself, don't? Yeah, right now, see that aisle at, you know. Yeah, man, a good when you have French fry chicken, if you can drop half a pepper in there and piece of garlic or a piece of onion, it make it nice, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I aisle at chicken soon going, don't? Yeah, see that the aisle at now, I start putting chicken. Yeah, a piece of butter that I drop in it. When the aisle at, I like the flavor where the butter give me upon the chicken and the nice little taste. Butter also color chicken too, you know what I mean? You can try it out, because I know enough people never try the butter, but yeah, make sure you say you have enough oil though, cause yeah, you have enough oil where you want, then you throw in the butter. I saw things said, down. Yeah, if you notice, I don't lie, I tell you, notice the color of the oil change. Since the butter go in, look on it for yourself. Yeah, that me I talk about. The youngest and the baddest. Down. Yeah, man. You see your oil change. Watch what I go on now. See it there? That man talk about. Take up my leg. In my oil. That start fry. They have to use all this or something, you know, but this is good. Yeah. See that? Maybe they have to use this a big butter, but I don't see things. See that? 5 pieces of chicken. So that look good. John no star. Hey, you want to see all this when this done? I'm going to tell you what I go on. You see when this done? I know nothing good. Snap a picture of you. Snap. Because I saw things. Down. Yeah, man. Yeah, you see that? Turn them, just turn. I want to fry some more. See blood in it. Yeah, man. Turn them, just turn. I saw them look pretty. Yeah man, just drop piece of butter in the oil. I guarantee you can't run. You see your chicken pretty? Jano style. Yeah. Already they ready, you know. I take them out, just so them look good. Yeah, I take them out, you know. Yeah, look on them now. See that? Look on my leg. How damn pretty with that. Damn nigga. Damn nigga. Yeah, good. Wow, fuck. Yeah, man. That's a thing, check, dog. Look like a money. Yeah, see that? I make the gravy now. See him look? Let me tell you. Yeah, I left that to make that boil up here now. Done. You see? What me I tell you, you can't left for your Maggie season.
What's brewing this weekend, man? What's
you know, pull. Maggie bad, you know. You want? See that?
I know you have, I work for your friend them on the big show, like the big bad colleague got my father when you have to play Africa. Jamaica, Country Brothers, Lyrical, Mad Snake, you don't know.
Yeah man, I left that for boil up here now. I say things said. See beauty them man, out to sea, or you mean? They say things said, you know what I mean? Yeah man, see that a boil him start boil up man. For the next 10 minutes from now, I ready to see it done. Yeah man. Yeah man, see that? I done cook you now. So you see that my French fried chicken ready with my gravy. And mommy make me read so far. You see I talk about? You think I chatting, see? You think I chatting? Right now, I cook some rice, so I'm going to shot back all the video when I done and make you see what I'm going to do. Kick out.